Alright, friends and fans, it was time for another stage of the bathroom remodel, which this didn't have anything to do with the bathroom, but we had to cut the, or take the floor heat ducts down when we had to header off this for the bathroom shower drain. So I'm going to put this back together today. I looked online, and it looked like the easiest way to cut the pipe was with your angle grinder. So I got the angle grinder, and we're gonna put that run of pipe back together and connect it back up to here. I got a couple of, I took 490s and made basically 2 offsets. So we're gonna use those. I've come to the conclusion that we're better off starting from this way back, because there's not any give that way. I can't move the duct back and forth, but this way I can go down and over, and that last section of pipe has some movement in and out, so I can get my slack in there. So we're going to have to come from this direction. And this guy is going to worm right through here, like so. There isn't much give to where he can go. I'm going to cut this out, I think. That's the opening of the pipe. That's the... Call it 39 inches, not including the swage. So I got 39, not including the swage. Okay, okay. Boy, this is heavy pipe too. This is the good old stuff. So we'll measure it down here. Now I said it was 39, not including swage. Oh, we've got some flexibility here, you know. Alright, so I got my mark. Now what I need really would be a stiff piece of paper to wrap around this to get an even mark. Well, let's see where the 41 1/4. We're just going to make a mark of the little bit here. Hope you're seeing what I'm doing. Probably not. Now we're just gonna connect the duct. Alright. We'll see how this works out. I'm not sure which way this blade stands. I'll have to adjust the grip. It's going to get noisy as hell. Let me put my other glasses on. They have a better focus, and I'll try not to start the basement on fire. Let's see how this works. Not too bad. Should I put a belt on? Alright. I think I got you a good angle. So, stick with this. Get this up in here. Drill holes. There's the old drill hole for that one. Take a piece of wood here. Dunk it together. Of course, it's no way I can screw it. There's the hole. So I'm going to have to cut this up. I'm going to take the Sawzall to it. Hopefully these little self-tappers will work. Give them a try anyway. Alright. And that'll suck it together like so. Perfect. I don't really think I need anything else in it. It ain't gonna come apart, is it? Now let's see how I made this offset. Maybe get in there. Take these screws out of my pocket there. I didn't really deburr that. I don't know what I'm going to deburr it with. It's laying on the wires, that's what's holding it up, so that's good. I'll put 2 in this one. So I can put that brace back up in there, and I wouldn't have to do nothing if I was to put this brace like right here. Let me get some long screws. I got some. I've decided what I'm going to do is just put a piece of string on that. I don't have to deal with that. All right. Now we got it ready to go. The next one. Now remember, they always flow towards the swage. They always flow towards the crimp, so the air doesn't leak out as much. So we're going to back him up here, so I got plenty of room. And it doesn't have to be super precise as long as I got some slack here. Alright, to the crimp I got. I'm going to make it 19, 18. 18 to the edge of the crimp. From there to there. Anywhere in there will work. I'm going to make it 20 to the edge of the crimp. Okay. So I bought a nice pipe. New pipe. So I'm just going to cut this the same way again. Kind of helps when you know what you're doing. Alright. Oh, there's spiders living in it already. Wait until the job's done, Spidey. Alright. We get the same thing. Poke him in. Poke him in. Is that like the Ho Chi Minh? Okay. Haul this up like a longshoreman here. As I said, we'll do this right once I get this done. Put some rail straps on it. Okay. Someday, which might be never, but you never know. Alright. I like it. We're getting there. I'm turning into a regular tin knocker here, aren't I? The furnace guys use little sheet metal screws that are just pointed. Pointies. Now I need to make my measurement, and it ain't gonna be 36. And I can't use the other pipe, unfortunately, because they don't have any swages on the ends. So I'm gonna waste a whole 5-foot piece of pipe to make one that's a few inches long. Let me get my leather. These pipes are facing each other now. I just gotta stick them together. Swage on this one, we want 24 and a half. 24 and a half. As I said, I got lots of play on that other end. So, we're going to cut one more time. Alright, my brand new Bauer cutter that I got. Grinder that I got from the refit. That's not very straight. The master scheme of the world, it don't matter to me. We're here trying to get this together. Of course, I'm going to be right in your way. Come on, baby. From the pop. Stupid thing. The hole ain't quite big enough for the swage to go into. It's the same old pipe though. Sometimes it's the seam. Well, I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I'm taking this off because I know that'll go together easy. And then I'm gonna Can I just have that tool? Yeah. There it is. Taking this 90 off. There's only one in that anyway. I'm gonna take this guy off. Look at this. I had these ducts cleaned out too long ago. I'm gonna turn off that heat flow so I didn't go in my face. Yeah. I'm gonna put some screws back in this one. All right. Now we're gonna get her good. I'm not fighting two pipes at the same freaking time. remodel it first. There you go. Finally. This guy was on a nail up here to hold him up. Like so. And there we go. Forget him what he's doing. Alright, I gotta drive a screw up in that. One back in here. That ain't coming apart. That ain't coming apart. Boom, boom, boom. Just like that. Duct work is back together. We can tip that to the side so it looks straighter. Now that's on. Alright, now I got heat go to the back bedroom again. Alright, I'm gonna put this 2x4 back up in there. Oh, frickin' A. Sick of these glasses. And I'm just gonna kind of toenail them in there just enough to hold that up there. Good. Nice and tight. Actually, I can get rid of, I don't even need any straps on these. All right. Well, that's it for today. We'll see you in another episode of this bathroom. Got to move some stuff around. I'll be doing the final connection of the electric. Maybe I'll just make that an episode. All right, guys. Take care. God bless. See you next time.
I'll tell you a little story. Sweet, it looks so fine. She makes me shiver.